It's not that snacks are bad, but they do trap us in the craving cycle. Hiya, Renee Jones here. See, every bite bumps up your blood sugar, and then comes the crash, which signals a craving, and that's when emotional eating pounces with, oh, just grab another bite. You're hungry, and you need a little treat. Sound familiar? I'm not anti-snack. Sometimes we actually do need something, but when you do, choose a snack that keeps your body steady instead of spinning you out of control. So here's a two-step process I teach my clients. If you're snacking out of emotion, pause. Stress, boredom, frustration, loneliness, even celebration. All of these send your brain looking for quick comfort. And if that's what's happening, a snack won't actually help. It will intensify the cravings. But if you're genuinely hungry, choose something stabilizing. So think protein or something unprocessed and without sugar if you can. Cheese, nuts, meat, hard-boiled egg, maybe some avocado or other low-starch vegetable with a dip. These keep your blood sugar steady and better, your mind calm. So there's no roller coaster and no craving. Snacking isn't really the problem, but mindless snacking is. Knowing the difference is one of the fastest ways to break an emotional eating cycle. So if this resonates, you're going to love next week's workshop. We'll be talking about how to avoid giving in to that food noise, particularly during the holidays. You can quiet that noise without relying on willpower, which never really lasts anyway, right? You'll walk away with simple tools you can use immediately, plus a few aha moments that change everything. I'll put the link to register in the comments below. See you there.